What's up, DTF fishermen? Today we're at another crappie lake, as you guys probably could guess. I'm trying to get this light out of you guys' face, and hopefully we can land on some nice fish. And I left my lights on. I'm gonna gear up as soon as possible, get out on the ice. It's really windy today, but also try to pop some holes quick. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm out there. Oh, jeez. I guess that sucker is pretty old. Alright, you guys. I just got done setting up. Looks like I'm marking tons of fish down there. That's what I'm going to go with for right now. Gold tungsten with this white poly. There we go. It's going to go down now. Try to get it down there. We got tons of fish down there, you guys. Now it's about trying to make them bite. Ooh, this is going to be tough. There's so many. Oh, there we go. We got one. This guy came out of nowhere. I didn't realize he came in bit already. Oh, wow. Look at the size of that, you guys. Tiny crappie. Tiny guy. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. In he goes for a swing. Alrighty. Tiny crappie, you guys. Look at that. Tiny guy. Little guy. We're going to get him back down there. Get that guy back down there. Looks like they like this wedge. I'm gonna go with the white Jamie. White Jamie. Let's get it. Drop it down. Marking a couple of them that are suspended. Sounds way. Oh my gosh, it's coming fast. Oh, there we go. We got smoked, you guys. Oh, this one feels heavy as ever too. Oh, yeah. That's a nice crappie. Look at that. Oh. Nice crappie. Nice little 10-incher maybe. Right on that orange tungsten and white Jamie. Oh, well, once again, I'm gonna I'm gonna keep some crappies as usual. Alright, guys, I'm gonna hop a hole. I just got my stuff out here. Looks like I'm marking one fish suspended. Alright, here they come. They're racing. Oh, this guy feels really good. He's okay. Nice little, maybe 5-incher. Look at that. Nice little 5-incher. We'll release that guy. Alright. There we go. Ooh, little guy. Dang it. There I go. There we go. I gotta hit it nice and hard. Doesn't feel big though. Yeah, not a big guy. Here you go, buddy. Oop, my deucer. And he is, should go down. Yeah. Or not. There you go, buddy. Alright. Sometimes they just need a little push. Oh my gosh. Here he comes. Here he comes the fastest ever. Oh my gosh. Tiny guy, I think. Oh, he's getting a little heavier. Or he's just fighting really hard. Oh, it's a sunny. What? Look at that beautiful color. Oh, nice. Nice sunny. Let that guy go. What's up, you guys? So I made big old move from where I was, just because there's a lot of people where I was. Looks like I'm marking fish down here though, so I guess I didn't make a bad move. Fish all over the screen, boys. Oh, see if we can get them to bite. Oh. I was wondering what happened to my headlamp. Oh yeah, some are racing from the bottom though. Ooh, there we go. There we go. See if I can get this guy out of the hole though. Tiny, tiny guy. Look at that. Man, we gotta stop catching these tiny guys. There's so many fish down there, you guys. We are loaded. The screen is loaded on the bottom right there. Can't catch any fish though. You guys have to see what I'm seeing. Have to. Have to. Right. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, jeez. Alright, you guys. I just caught one. This is not the best of views right now, but oh my gosh, this guy's a tanker. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that tank right there, you guys. I mean, he's not that big of a tank, but still a nice eater, 10-inch. I got some fish right on that screen right there. They're all those yellow and red marks right there. All these right here, you guys. All those right there. I should be coming down pretty soon, anytime now. And right there, I'm coming from that top on the little red mark on the top. And then the bottom mark is a fish. And the fish is definitely interested. He's coming up. Ooh, he stopped. Oh no, he's coming up again. Oh my gosh, fast, fast. Just to check me out though. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, this guy feels really good too, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh right now. This guy is shaking hard. Oh no wonder, it's a big old bluegill. Look at that gill. You can feel the bluegill's just head shaking, boys. What? I'm not here for gills today. Let that guy go. Looks like there's one right under me right now. Oh yeah. Here we go. Come on. I'll raise it up just a bit, see if he'll follow me. Yeah, he's following me. Just trying to make him bite now. Oh, raise it up again, see if he'll follow me. He's coming. Not afraid. There we go. Got him. Ooh. Nice gill again. Oh gosh. Wrapped in the deucer. Oh. There we go. Another nice gill, you guys. Nice little one again. There we go. Let this guy go. Oh. Yeah. It's supposed to warm up later in the day. So. Oh my gosh, that guy's racing. Oh my gosh. He knocked some fat slack into my line. He's feeling big. Feeling big, boys. Oh, this guy's feeling really big. Right now, he is feeling super big, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. That's a slab. Now that's a slab. Whoop. Look at that. Nice crappie. Nice eater, man. Oh my gosh, you guys. There are so many right now. There we go. That guy's coming fast. And he hit it hard. Oh my gosh, she's feeling heavy as ever too. A lot of head shaking, probably bluegill. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice crappie, and I lost him at the hole. Dang, bro. Ooh, flag, boys. Oh my gosh, that guy over there is gone, bro. He's sprinting. Oh, here comes some nice fish. There we go. Oh, that guy feels humongo again. Oh, this guy feels really, really good. Really, really good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's huge. Get him out of the deucer though. Oh, this guy's huge as well. Another nice 10-incher, boys. Look at that. Ooh. Looks like the schools have gone away, but I think I'm gonna end my video here. Alright. Alright. Probably end my day now, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, hit that like button. And also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm trying to get more content out, not just crappie content, but hopefully I can do different content very soon, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed those views, and leave comments down below on what you guys want to see different views, different fish, different techniques, and what else. So thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you guys see me on the next episode of DTF Wisconsin. Thank you guys.